What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and I recently had the opportunity to check out all kinds of upcoming technology for 2024 at CES in Las Vegas. In this video, I'm going to show you guys some of the most exciting products that I was able to find on the showroom floor. Also, big shout outs to Eureka and RoboUp for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm here at the Eureka booth to check out some of their new vacuum products, especially the J20. This is an all-in-one vacuum and mop that has its own unique base station. Let's check it out.
J20 is very distinct from all the current models in the market. It has a very long and wide mop, or it's filled with fresh water against the dirty fluid. So why is this benefit large as possible just in one single rolling process? Besides this, the large tube mop.
All right, so I'm here with Jonathan. He's going to explain to us the new Roll Renew system on the J20.
The Roll Renew technology is first of its kind, innovative, and effective technology that we equipped it on our latest generation Eureka J20 robots. It spotlessly cleans all kinds of debris from the floor, including red wine spills, coffee spills, even tomato sauce and ketchup. So much more, so much better than any other competitors on the market. The system comes with a rolling mop, a clear water tank, and a dirty water tank. Here is how it works. The mop rolls forward to catch all the debris from the floor. Then fresh water is being sprayed onto the mop to dissolve the dirt and rinse the mop. In the very end, a scraper is going to remove all the dirty liquid to a dirty water tank. Once the robot finishes its job, the robot will go back to the station, and the all-in-one station is going to take very good care of the robot by draining all the dirty liquid from the robot and replenish fresh water into the robot. In the very end, the mop will be dried with hot air in the temperature of about 135 Fahrenheit. What does it mean? It is the hottest temperature ever recorded in the US history in the Death Valley, California.
All right, Jonathan, how about the suction power?
It has a very strong vacuum power of about 8,000 pascals, which is about 2 to 3 times larger than the average competitor on the market.
Is there anything else that stands out about the J20?
It has an anti-tangle roller to prevent hair from wrapping around the roller.
And how's the battery life on it?
The battery life is about 3 hours. It can cover up to 4,000 square feet in just one single charge. This product will be available on Amazon and Eureka.com from April. Any pre-order received right now will receive a $300 early bird discount.
Hey Jonathan, what do you want to tell us about the E10S?
The E10S is our eco-friendly robotic cleaning system that features a bagless cyclone auto emptying station. Unlike any other product on the market with a disposable bag, it comes with a reusable cyclone station that can hold up to 30 days of debris. So the user doesn't have to pay $6 per month for disposable bags. That's on average $70 per year savings on disposable emptying bags.
We're at CES at the RoboUp booth to check out the all-new Rhino 1 mower from RoboUp. Let's go check it out. The first thing you're going to notice about the RoboUp Rhino 1 is that there's no boundary wire. So you're not going to have to worry about a boundary wire on your lawn that trips you up. You don't have to worry about taking a day or two to bury a wire. This works wire-free, which is definitely one of the main benefits of this entire setup. The Rhino 1 is actually super efficient. It can mow up to 500 square meters per hour, so it'll have your yard completely mowed in no time. Each of the 4 wheels is powered. That's how it's able to climb such a steep hill. And to me, it's one of the standout features. It's really what drew me into the booth when I approached it. So one of the major benefits of having a robotic mower, an electric mower, is the fact that it's not going to cause a lot of noise pollution. You can mow your yard 7 a.m., 6 a.m. You're not going to bother the neighbors because it is so quiet. Another thing that really stands out about the Rhino 1 is the AI technology that's built in to this robotic mower. This has AI vision for enhanced obstacle avoidance. It can work its way around gardens, plants, pets and animals, and it can also get to the very edge, which is something that other mowers that use a wire and even some other wireless mowers cannot achieve, is getting all the way to the edge. Usually with robotic mowers, you have a good 2 or 3 inches of grass that they cannot cut. This is able to get all the way to the edge. This does have a few mapping options, which makes this totally user-friendly. You can 100% auto map with the Rhino 1, or you can manually map. So if you just need a certain area mode, you can map that out yourself, or you can let Rhino 1 do the mapping for you. With that, you get customized mowing zones so that you can choose which zones of your yard you need to cut. Maybe you just need the front yard cut today, and you can let the backyard go a few more days before being mowed. You have those options within the application. This also includes a 4G module with app control. You can power this thing and control it from anywhere you have an internet connection. That also means that it has anti-theft. So if you're away from home, someone comes over, picks up the mower, you'll be alerted that someone's trying to take your mower. CC is here at CES showing off their N1. This is a 136-inch foldable TV, which is insane. I just saw it fold up and then unfold, and I was pretty impressed by how seamless the unfolded TV is. Like, you can't even tell that this thing folds up. I'm not really sure what this is meant for. It's a $200,000 TV. Maybe there are use cases like on a yacht or in a mansion or something like that. I'm not sure, but it does look super aesthetic. Maybe you've got a really large bank of windows and that's the only place you can put a TV, and you can kind of hide the TV so that you can still see the view there. Anyhow, I just think the technology is really cool. JLabs invited me to their booth over at Caesar's Palace, which was a lot of fun. They actually picked me up in a limo and it made me feel like VIP. I really enjoyed that. I was able to check out the all-new JBuds Luxe ANC over-the-ear headphones. These come with smart active noise cancellation, clear calls with noise-canceling mics. 40mm drivers deliver immersive lab-quality sound. You've got the Cloud Foam ear cups, which are super comfortable. These can connect to any 2 devices at the same time with the Bluetooth multi-point. These also include spatial audio, so you're getting that premium experience, and you do get a customizable sound experience through the JLab app. These are definitely the total package. The most exciting TV here has to be the 115 QM891G. Just look how massive this TV is. It's taller than me. That's insane. This has up to 20,000 dimming zones, and the TCL AIPQ Ultra processor, which gives you clean and pristine images. I mean, just look how clear and beautiful the picture looks on this massive TV. Like, how am I even gonna get this in my house? It's insane. This also includes a 6.22 channel speaker system, which means it also has incredible sound to go with this amazing picture. There was some crazy food tech at CES, like this robotic barista who could make a cup of coffee. That was really tasty. They also had this self-sustained robotic noodles cup, so he can make up the best bowl of noodles. And then there was this really interesting product that everybody had to check out. Of course, they were giving away free ice cream, so that helps. This little machine from Cold Snap takes a single service ice cream from a can and dispenses it in just about a minute. And one thing that was really cool is no product touches the machine. So you don't have to worry about cleaning up the machine between servings. Just load another cartridge and go to town. This would definitely be great at hotels or nursing homes. Of course, I would love to have one of these at home, but I'm not sure how practical that would be. As you can see, there was tons of epic new tech at CES, and I can't wait to get my hands on some of these gadgets to review these products here in my home. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.